Self-testing is a very effective strategy to use for studying text and checking your understanding. Self-testing means that after reading the material, you will generate questions about what you have read in order to test your knowledge. This is an effective way to deepen your understanding, as well as to see whether there are some things you have not understood well or that you do not exactly remember. Self-testing helps to approach the material from different angles and enhances your memory of the text, as you have to come up with both the questions and the answers. For example, imagine having to prepare for your course exam, and instead of just revising the material like you always do, start creating questions about the material for yourself. First, read the text to identify your knowledge gaps. This can be the topics that you are least confident about or that you keep forgetting. Next, take the time to create questions about these topics with valid answers. If you are making multiple choice questions, make sure to make the wrong answers plausible enough to challenge yourself. Having made all the questions, you can start testing yourself, preferably on the next day, so that you don't answer from short-term memory. After answering the questions, check whether you have gotten them right and where you may still struggle. This informs you which topics you do and do not master yet. Subsequently, you could use this information to start the cycle anew and develop new questions. Self-testing helps to make sure you have understood the material, especially if you are preparing for an exam. It also helps to enhance and activate your long-term memory and remember the material better. However, making your own questions can be quite time-consuming and therefore not always feasible.